Hi all, I'm Roldi. As you can see, this is practically the basic app that is generated by the system when you create a new app based on page. I made some very slight changes to this basic example so that the stock is calculated as the sum of the quantities handled. In other words, I'm simulating a minimal representation of the typical management that is done in any company. Let's see how trivially I did. Simply in the think table, I added a row ID column to uniquely identify the item. Then I added a table of records where loading and unloading of items are recorded. In the thing table, I added a multiple relation to the records table so I can calculate the stock as a sum in a roll-up column. All trivial so far. And as you can see, everything works fine except for the already no problem related to the collection grid, which does not update when a row is deleted. But this is an already no problem reported in the past, and it is not the subject of the problem I submit here. The problem here happens when I'm using a key constructed in a template column. Let's go. Now I change the multiple relation using a template column as a key instead of the direct reference to the item identifier. In the template column, I simply prepend this constant string, while the variable part is replaced by the contents of the row ID column. And I create the same type of column also in the records table. Now I change the multiple relation using the two template columns, and the result of the stock roll-up column will not change, of course. Returning to the user interface, everything seems to work correctly, as long as just add records or edit existing ones. But if I delete a record, this happens. The roll-up column does not update. In fact, now the item should show 5 pieces in stock, while instead it shows 10. In this collection, the record has disappeared, but in another collection, the record is still there. And if I try to delete this false row, it does not go away from the display in the collection, because in fact it does not exist in the data editor. In the data editor, in the records table, the deleted row no longer exists. This is right, but the roll-up column in the things table did not update. Now, if I quit and relaunch the application, everything will be fine until the next record deletion. This was the bug that could be proven in minutes. I must say, however, that in the app I'm developing, which is significantly more full of multiple relations, I found an even worse behavior when values replaced in the template are user-specific columns. In this case, I found a random freezing of the web page where no click effect, screen components, and the menu items. That's all. Thank you for watching, and sorry for my poor English. Bye.